But guys, thank you. So guys, we're finally done. Philippine restaurant. So guys, meron silang halo-halo, beef bulalo, lumpiang, Shanghai, sinigang. So, ang dami nga. Filipino food. Dito sa Neris Restaurant. Okay sila. So, hours nila is Monday to Friday. Available dine-in or take-out. Guys. Videohan mo
Guys,
ako.
nandito kami sa nakita kami ng Filipino restaurant. So, we'll try to come back with my son after the training. Yes.
What is that?
This is a takeaway food for him.
Crispy pata. Hi. So guys, Neris Restaurant. Established 1984. Philippine restaurant, the best. Okay. Be, videoan mo ko doon sa camera na madali kong maipopost agad. Sa camera. O, paano natin?
Hi guys, walking right here in LA, having food, lunch.
I think mali yung ito.
No,
Doon, tama. Doon.
ito yung daan.
Tama, tama.
There's no way there. So we're gonna go back to our car, which is parked right there, and we'll be going to pick up our son from the hotel point up meeting. So as you can see, where's our vehicle? Okay, it's over right there. So we came from these stairs earlier. These are the ones. We came from this Filipino Neris dining. Alright.
So guys, yun. Nakahanap kami ng rice. Dito sa
Finally.
Neris Filipino restaurant.
Finally, we got rice after long journey.
Finally, Hi guys, so finally we found rice here in Neris Filipino restaurant. So, busog na naman ang tummy. So guys, so we're heading now to AC Marriott. Let's go! Be, malulubat na to. Tama na.